if you like to relax and take some deep breaths. Just listen to any sounds that are around you and just accept them being there. Be aware of the chair or the bed you're sitting on. Now send out a silent prayer to invite your guides to be with you. You can imagine that as a light shining down upon you if you wish, or a hand you hold. Ask to be shown someone where you're losing your peace. It may be somebody on television, maybe somebody who's died, maybe your partner, your politician, your doctor. Let them show you someone. Maybe someone you think you've already forgiven. There's more work to be done. See if you can visualize them in front of you. And allow any feelings to come up. There may be anger or sadness, vengeance. That's fine. It's only our judgment of them that makes them negative. If you're angry, you may even want to speak it out to them. Maybe you haven't spoken it out to them. Make it real. Feel it. And as you feel it, you'll feel it in some part of your body. The more real you make it, the more you can feel it. Become aware of that part of the body, and if it's easy, you could put an accepting hand there. Not trying to change it, just accepting it. Let's take a few moments to explore it physically, how large that pain is, its shape. Any color you might see there. How deep it goes into the body. Its texture. Is it hard or soft? Do you feel any hotter or colder than the rest of the body? Try and realize this is something you have created. The other person has not created it. The other person doesn't have that power. What that person has done or said is neutral. It doesn't have the ability to upset you or make you happy. You have chosen this. for some reason. You have chosen the pain. If you really see this, you cannot blame the person. I have elected to feel this way. A person does not have the power to make me feel this way. I create my reality. I create my joy. I create my pain. There is nothing in this world that can upset me. Say to yourself, I choose to upset myself. I choose to be peaceful. This person has no power over me at all. They never have. They never will. This person is just reminding me of something unhealed in myself. And I hate to see that. I deny it. I throw it at the other person. I project it. Say to the other person, you are showing me something I don't want to look at. It may not be clear to me at the moment, but you're showing me something. And if it's unclear to me, I ask my guides to draw close now, to hold my hand. Please tell me, what is this person showing me? Why did I choose to get upset? Am I like him or her in some way? Or am I opposite to him or her in some way? Do I do the things he or she does? Or would I like to do the things she or he does? And I'm not empowered. Can you say to this person, thank you. You are my teacher. I hate to have admitted that before, but you are teaching me, though I may not yet be clear what it is. Take a look at the physical pain again, its shape and size. Any changes? Its color? its texture. Are all these the same, or is there some healing, some softening? If there is anger, has that decreased? If it has, you brought your projection back to yourself. You said, aha, I made this. That other person didn't. There's something I can learn here. Try and thank the other person. Thank you for the homework. Thank you for showing me. I am the creator of my reality, and you have no power over me. Ask your guides to help you with this now and in your dreams. I want to conquer this. I want to heal this. I really want to see I create my own reality, and I can blame no one. I am sovereign. And this will take you to peace. And you will eventually walk in this world, and then nothing will upset you. And you will extend compassion to all you meet. Spend some time feeling complete with the exercise as far as you got, knowing you can repeat it. And then when you're ready, bring yourself back to the room.